Did you know 31% of Indians struggle with cholesterol? You know I'm not a doctor. So if you have cholesterol issues, it's better to get it checked by a medical professional. You know me, I'm a mind, body, soul practitioner. So I'm going to be sharing a different perspective on cholesterol through the mind, body, emotions or mind, body, soul perspective. Now, in the mind, body, emotions practice, heart equals love. तो होता ही है, सबको मालूम है. मेरे दिल से आपको प्यार किया है, मेरे दिल में आप बसे हो. Obviously, we all know that. You don't need mind body connection to tell you that. But we'll go slightly deeper. Blood represents joy. तो अभी आपका हार्ट क्या करता है? हार्ट जस्ट डजंट बीट, इट ऑल्सो पंप्स ब्लड. ये तो आपको पता है. सो heart is eventually responsible for spreading love and joy through the entire system. So a free flow of blood represents free flow of love and joy, free flow of life. Imagine उस इंसान की एनर्जी और ऑरा क्या स्ट्रांग होगी. But what could restrict this free flow of blood? सोच सकते हो? Obviously आपको आंसर तो पता है, वीडियो उसी के बारे में तो है. One of the factors restricting free flow of blood is our cholesterol. अब कोलेस्ट्रॉल क्या है, मेडिकल लैंग्वेज में मैं बात नहीं करूंगा, मैं एक्सपर्ट नहीं, बट मैं अपने स्टाइल में आपको समझाऊंगा. राइट? सो लेट्स टेक फॉर इंस्टेंस योर बैड cholesterol. So your bad cholesterol is like your negative thinking. So when you're constantly negative, constantly busy with your negative thinking, it keeps piling up within the system, thus leading to emotional plaque. जो प्लाक आपकी आर्टरीज में बैठ जाता है, नेगेटिव थिंकिंग से भी होता है. Because, ladies and gentlemen, you're not allowing your heart to experience and express free flow of love and joy. Good cholesterol, on the other hand, is like your positive feelings, positive thinking. It is taking away what is not needed in the body, clearing up the mess, and allowing you to experience free flow of blood and energy. Right? When do you not experience love and joy? When you are constantly angry, when you are fearful, when you're anxious, when you're constantly thinking about the future or stuck in the past. When you're holding on to your pain, you're not able to express yourself. This puts your body under tremendous stress, leading to anger, irritability. This puts pressure on the liver, thus impacting the balance of cholesterol. So समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं? आपको लग रहा होगा कि मैं ऐसे ही बोलने के लिए बोल रहा हूं. नहीं भाई, इमोशंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, स्पेशली लव एंड जॉय. खुद को अगर प्यार नहीं करोगे तो दूसरों को क्या प्यार करोगे? आपने बहुत पैसा कमा लिया है, बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल बने हो, बट इफ यू आर नॉट expressing that love and joy, if you're constantly complaining, constantly cribbing about your family, about your friends, about the current situation in your life, and yet you find yourself to be busy and not allotting the time to let go of this bad cholesterol, which is letting go of these negative emotions का energy भी low होता है. It is time for you to let go of that emotional plaque, to allow your heart and your body to experience that free flow of blood, to allow you to experience that free flow of love and joy. So when you don't allow your heart to express love and joy freely, you are in a way squeezing out that love and joy from your life, leading to ailments like cholesterol. यार बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल को बढ़ा रहे हो, क्यों बढ़ाना है? आप बोलोगे डॉक्टर के पास जाऊंगा, दवाई लूंगा, ठीक हो जाएगा, पर दवाई जब बंद होगी तो क्या होगा? इसीलिए तो मैं बोल रहा हूं ना, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग यू अवे फ्रॉम योर फिजिकल फिटनेस, नॉट टेकिंग यू अवे फ्रॉम योर मेडिकल रूटीन. इन फैक्ट I want you to understand that when you embrace emotional nurturance alongside your physical and mental health, you complete your wellness story. Ladies and gentlemen, flip your wellness story, embrace emotional nurturance as a part of your physical and mental health. Allow yourself to love yourself and the people around you. Make space for joy and love in your heart. So I want you to reflect. What's the quality of your thoughts? What is the quality of feelings you have? And quality of actions you've been taking towards expressing love and joy. Yeah? So the next time you look at your test results and the level of cholesterol, ask yourself, am I expressing love? Am I expressing joy? If not, it's time for you to embrace emotional nurturance and allow yourself to express love and joy. DM Mindset Akhada to move forward on this journey. And don't forget to subscribe to Akike Samaksh for more insights. Take care, God bless, and प्यार करते रहो और मुस्कुराते रहो. Bye bye.